When the mind is quiet, reality unfolds. Being able to see in the present moment all the beauty that is around us, from nature, which can see and vibrates on a level that helps us relax, letting go of stress, all the things that don't really matter. Experiencing life without stress, that's the key. But how do we do that? How do we not allow the things of the day to affect us and make us experience life in a negative way? We simply let go of what we can't control. We simply let go of all the things that are and accept that change is one of the only constants in the universe. It's the only thing we can count on. It's the only thing that just keeps happening. Stress is created by the mind. Old stories repeated over and over in our heads, continually making us feel less. Life is what you decide it should be. Focus on how you want to experience it. Change the way you see the world around you.